The ultimate goal of using large language models for summarizing and extracting text is to make it easier and faster to gain insights from large volumes of text, enabling users or businesses to quickly get a sense of the content without reading everything in detail. The choice between summarizing or extracting depends on the specificity of the information. In short, summarizing provides overall vision, while extraction provides concrete insights. We will use as an example a fictional email in which a warehouse operator sends an email informing his supervisor about the most significant incidents and events of the day. This email is about 200 words long. We could use a longer email as a basis, but for a better understanding of the example, we will use a short email. In the following use case, we will demonstrate how to decide whether to use words summarize or extract in our prompts based on our information needs using just 30 words. The virtual assistant, after reading the entire email, will synthesize the important information and convey what we ask for. We will use ChatGPT as the chosen AI assistant. Let's assume we have received this email and we are part of the controlling department, interested only in information related to extra costs. First, let's look at the summarize prompt. The purpose of this prompt is to tell us the most important information in the email, giving more importance to everything related to extra costs. We signal this priority to the virtual assistant with slots to give feedback to the controlling department, and focusing on any aspects that are relevant to costs. We execute the query on ChatGPT 3.5. The AI lists all topics mentioned in the email, but allocates more words to the section related to extra costs. This contrasts with the breakdown in the forklift, which is simply mentioned without adding any detail. Now for the extract prompt. The prompt is almost the same as the one used for summarize, but we replace summarize with extract and make minor adjustments on the verbose for clarity in the extraction task. We keep the slots related to our interests. The chatbot only must extract tailored information to these slots. Once again, we execute the query on ChatGPT 3.5. The response only contains information related to the extra cost and some extra related info to cover up the 30 words limit. One caveat, please fix your attention on the fact that the amount of the extra cost is placed at the beginning of the response, giving it more importance. Therefore, summarize aims to capture the general essence of a text, while extract is the ideal option for obtaining specific information relevant to a particular topic or area of interest, a department in our example. All in on AI and Carpe Diem? Voice has been generated by AI, and it is not a real person.